my dear students. Today a very interesting chapter we are going to study, that is the 12 months. Now you all know that we have 12 months. Yes, which are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? So we are going to study something interesting. Let us start. Page number 8, chapter number 5, the 12 months. So this story is about how a poor stepdaughter is being treated by her stepmother and stepsister. सौतेली बहन को कैसे सताते हैं. We all have seen and heard the stories, right? Now we are going to listen and understand. Once upon a time in a faraway country, दूर कहीं country में, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own daughter and the other was her stepdaughter. Now stepdaughter, सौतेली बेटी. She was very fond of her own daughter. अपनी बेटी को उसको बहुत पसंद था उसको. But she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marokla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. So Marokla कैसी थी? She was prettier. Marokla. Pretty. Yes, she was pretty and Helena was lazy. Okay. And how was Marokla? The gentle-hearted Marokla did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Marokla को पता ही नहीं था कि वो कितनी सुंदर है और इसी वजह से उसकी सताती है मम्मी. ये उसको पता ही नहीं था. She was very good, kind-hearted, gentle-hearted. Marokla had to do all the housework. घर का सब काम उसी से कराते थे. Tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. सब काम उसी से कराते थे. खाना बनाना, घर साफ करना, कपड़े धोना, कपड़े सुखाना, stitch करना. She liked work and she did it without a word of complaint. सब काम खुद से करती थी and she never used to complain. You know, I don't want to do. She never used to do that. And Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. Now, how was Helena? She used to just waste her time in adorning herself. अपने beauty देखती थी and lazy रहती थी. कुछ काम नहीं करती थी. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marokla every day. Marokla सब काम करती थी, फिर भी Helena and उसकी मम्मी हमेशा Marokla को डांटती थी, मारती थी, bad words बोलती थी. They envied her so much that one day they decided her to throw out of in the freezing cold to get rid of her. लोग इतने जलते थे उससे. They were very jealous. And that's why they wanted to just get rid of her. उनसे पीछा छोड़ना था. Go Marokla and get me some violets from the forest. उसने क्या बोला? Marokla को पहले क्या बोला लेके आने? Violets. Now what are violets? Violets are the flowers. I want to wear them and smell them, said Helena. Helena ने जाओ तुम और लेके आओ. मुझे पहनना है, उसको smell करना है. But dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Marokla. Marokla ने अरे अभी तो कहाँ मिलेगा इतने ठंडी में? नहीं मिलेगा violets. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? कैसे आप मुझसे उल्टा बोलते हो? How are you telling me bad answers? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I'll kill you. आया नहीं ना तो मैं तुझे मार दूँगी. Said Helena threateningly. Threateningly मतलब उसको warning दिया कि नहीं लाया तो देखो. The stepmother caught hold of Marokla, turned her out of the door and slammed it after her. घर के बाहर निकाला, दरवाजा भी जोर से लगा. Marokla went to the forest, weeping bitterly. रोते रोते गई. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. कोई गया भी नहीं है। Marokla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. यहाँ वहाँ गई, बहुत भूख लगा है उसको, ठंड भी लग रही है। But at last she saw a light in the distance. दूर उसको एक लाइट दिखा। She went towards the glow which came from the mountain of the mountain, top of the mountain, top के mountain के यहाँ पे ज्वाला दिखा उसको, लाइट दिखा। A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. 12 men बैठे थे बड़ा स्टोन के राउंड करके। 3 of them had snow white beards, 3 were not so old, and 3 were still young. 3 वाले बहुत बूढ़े थे, next 3 young, okay young थे, and बहुत नीचे वाले बहुत ही छोटे थे। The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking but all sitting silent, चुपचाप बैठे थे। These 12 men were 12 months. See, Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow. So January सबसे ऊपर ऐसे बैठे हैं throne में, and others were sitting around him. And his beard were white as snow. And in his hand he had a club. He had a stick. Marokla was frightened, वो डरी हुई है और वो देख रही है कि लोग कौन है। She stood there for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." Marokla पहले डर गई और फिर उसने परमिशन पूछा, "Please, क्या मैं मेरा हाथ सेक सकती हूँ ये फायर में?" Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for? ने ठंड में आप आए क्यों हो? क्या चाहिए?" "I am looking for violets," answered Marokla. Marokla ने बोला, "I am looking for violets." मुझे violets flowers चाहिए। This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow, answered Great January. Great January अभी टाइम नहीं है violets का, हर जगह स्नो है, आपको ये फ्लावर अभी नहीं मिलेगा। Yes, I know, but my dear sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. मेरी बहन ने बोला and stepmother ने अभी violets लेके ही आना है forest से, and if I don't bring it, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, please tell me, where can I find them? Please मुझे बताओ कि मुझे violets कहाँ मिलेंगे? Great January stood up and went to the younger months. It was March. तो वो उठे and March के पास गए and he gave the club, he gave the stick. Brother, take the high seat. So now March sat. Violets मतलब March में आते हैं. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. जो fire था उस पे ऐसे ऐसे उसने wave किया. The fire blazed up. So उसे और fire brightly burn करने लगा. The snow began to melt, the trees began to bud, and ground was at once covered with grass. It was springtime. So violets we find in springtime. तो snow सब पिघल गया, grass आने लगा, and it was springtime. The violets began to bloom among their little leaves, and before Marokla had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. Marokla just देख ही रही है, पूरा जगह पे violets flowers आ गए, as if किसी ने purple cloth ground पे बिछाया है. So springtime, in springtime we get violets. Now pick them quickly, Marokla commanded March. March said, "Okay, quick them immediately." Marokla picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. सब collect किया, बड़ा bunch हो गया. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scrambled merrily home. सब लिया, thank you बोला, भाग भाग के ये मुझे मिल गया violets, and she ran back home. Helena and her stepmother wondered when they saw Marokla bringing the violets. उनको लगा अरे अभी तो violets मिलेंगे नहीं. They wanted to get rid of her, इसीलिए बाहर छोड़ा था, but उसको मिल गया violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of violets filled the cottage. तो वायलेट्स का जो स्मेल है, सेंट है, इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल अरोमा, यस, एंड वो पूरा कॉटेज में भर गया. When did you get them? asked Helena sulkily. Sulkily disappoint हो गई. क्यों disappoint हो गई? Because she did not want Marokla to be with her. They are growing under the bushes in the forest on the high mountains. So Marokla ने बोला mountains के यहाँ पे ही मिल रहा है. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. एक भी flower Marokla को Helena ने नहीं दिया. The next day she called to her sister and said, "Go Marokla and get me some strawberries from the market, from the forest." बोल रहे अभी जाओ और strawberries ले आओ. First what did she say? Violets. Yes. Alas dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? इतने ठंड में मैं strawberries कहाँ से लाऊं? Said Marokla. How dare you argue? Go at once and get me strawberries or otherwise I'll kill you. वापस उसने वॉर्न किया, लेके आ नहीं तो आर्गू. The stepmother caught hold of Marokla, pushed her out of the door and slammed it. Marokla went to the forest weeping bitterly. वापस रोते रोते गई वो. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. ठंडी, right? So हर जगह snow. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and struggling with cold. At last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. वापस उसने देखा वो light जो yesterday, other day देखा था उसने. Overjoyed, she was very happy. She went towards it. She came to the great fire with 12 months sitting round it. Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire. Great January nodded and asked, Why have you come again and what are you looking for? अभी किसके लिए आए हो? अभी क्या चाहिए? I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries. They just sent me to bring strawberries. And if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, please, where I can find them. Great January arose. He went over the month sitting opposite to him. It was June. So June month में we get strawberries. So June came and handed the club to him, saying, "Brother, take the high seat." Now June was sitting and he took the high seat. Now he will swing his club. June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in the movement. Some snow पिघल गया. The ground was all green. The trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. हर जगह greenery, birds आवाज कर रहे हैं. It was a beautiful sight. It was summer. The ground under the bushes were covered with white starlets, flowers. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute, and it was strawberries. They ripened at once, and before Marokla had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though a red carpet has been spread on the ground. Red carpet had been spread on the ground. Immediately उसने देखा, wow, इतना immediately मुझे strawberries मिल गए. Pick them at once, Marokla commanded June. So June ने क्या बोला? Immediately pick the strawberries and leave from here. Violets, March. Yes. Marokla picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Apron ये खाना बनाने का मम्मी पहनती है, right? So she immediately filled it. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scrambled merrily. Oh, भागते भागते खुशी से गई. वाह, अभी मुझे इन लोग सताएंगे नहीं. Helena and her stepmother wondered when they saw Marokla bringing the strawberries. Again इन लोग में सोच में पड़ गया, नहीं? अभी तो सीजन नहीं है, इसको मिल कहाँ से रहा है? Her apron was full of them. Where did you pick them? asked Helena, There were plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains. उसने सच सच बता दिया mountains में मिल रहा है. Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all up with her mother. Helena ने सब पूरी खा लिया, मम्मी को दिया, but मरोकला को बिल्कुल नहीं दिया. On the third day, Helena ordered Marokla go into the forest and get some red apples. कौन बोल रहे अभी जाओ और मेरे लिए apples ले आओ. The stepmother again did the same thing. क्या किया? लिया Marokla को पकड़ा, के बाहर डाला and she shut the door. Marokla went in the forest, weeping bitterly, but this time she did not wander. यहाँ वहाँ वो भटकी नहीं, direct वो 12 months के पास चली गई. She ran straight to the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting around the fire. Please, kind sirs, help me. Great January asked again. आज क्या चाहिए? What do you want now? I am looking for red apples. If I don't bring, my sister and my stepmother will kill me. Tell me, father, please, where I could find them. बताओ मुझे कहाँ से लूँ? Great January rose up. He went over to one of the older months. It was September. So in the month of September उठे and he swung the club. Yes. 1 September took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire began to burn with a red flame. Snow began to melt. But there was cold wind that sent the faded leaves down to the ground. मतलब अभी सितंबर में थोड़ा मिट्टी भी रहता है. It was autumn season. Marokla just saw one apple tree with red apples hanging high among its branches. एक ही झाड़ दिखा उसको आज. Shake the tree at once, Marokla commanded. September में बोला shake करो properly. Right? Gladly, Marokla shook the tree. The first one apple fell down and then another. दो ही apple गिरे. Now Marokla, that's enough. Run home quickly, shouted the months. 12 months मतलब बस हो गया. दो लिया है ना? Go back. Marokla obeyed at once. She picked up the apples, thanked the months and ran home merrily. Helena and her stepmother wondered when they saw the apples. Where did you get them? Asked Helena. ये कहाँ से मिला? Again she said from the mountains. And why did you bring more? सादा कौन ले लाया? Or did you eat them on the way? रास्ते में आने के टाइम तुमने खा लिया क्या? ऐसे उसकी बहन ने पूछा. Alas, sister dear, I haven't tasted them. I shook the tree twice. 2 apples fell and they wouldn't let me shake the tree again. They shouted to me to go straight home. 2 बारी किया, 2 एप्पल आया और फिर उन्होंने चिल्लाया मुझे कि आप घर जाओ. May you struck to death by lightning, said the wicked Helena. उसने ऐसे बोला कि तुम मर जाओ. And वो एप्पल खाती रही Helena. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother she had never tasted anything so nice in all her life. मतलब ये एप्पल जैसे तो मैंने जिंदगी में कभी नहीं खाया. The stepmother liked it too. When they finished, they wanted some more. दोनों ने खा लिया, उनको और चाहिए था. Mother, give me your fur coat. Let's go to the forest ourselves and get the apples. Helena बोल रही मम्मी वो fur coat दो. ठंडी में हम लोग कोट पहनते हैं. So she ordered the fur clothes from the mother and she said, "Chalo, let us go to the forest." That ragged little wretch would eat them all up again on her way home. उनको लगा है कि ये लड़की गरीब मरोकला वो ही सब एप्पल रास्ते में खा रही है, इसलिए इन्होंने बोला चलो हम खुद जाते हैं. We will find the place all right and I'll shake them all down however they shout at me. लोग कितना भी चिल्लाए मैं नहीं उनका सुनूंगी and I will shake the tree. Her mother agreed readily. They wrapped themselves in fur clothes and shawls and off they went to the forest. And forest में चले गए. Now how is the forest? It is fully covered with snow. The snow lay deep and they wandered about for a long time. But at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning. फिर उन्होंने देखा कि oh yes, the fire is burning there. and the 12 months were sitting. They stepped up to the fire and stretched their hands to warm them without asking permission or speaking polite word. So, before Morokla had come, she asked the permission and she spoke politely. But here, Helena and her stepmother, they did not ask the permission and they did not speak any polite words. Why have you come here and what are you looking for? Great January asked crossly. Great January गुस्से में पूछे, क्यों आए हो, क्या चाहिए? Why do you want to know, you old fool? See the way she replied. उसने बोला, तुमको क्या करने का है? आप कौन होते हो मुझे बोलने वाले? It's no business of yours, said the mother. मम्मी ने बोला, who are you to ask us? You don't have any right. Great January frowned and swung the club over his head. गुस्सा आया, उठे और क्लब अपने सर के ऊपर से घुमाए. The sky grew dark in a moment. The fire burned low and snow began to fall thick. भी पूरा snowfall हो गया वहाँ पे. अंधेरा हो गया. Full snowy things. Ice गिरने लगी. And an icy wind began to blow through the forest. हर जगह से ice इतना ठंडा. Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. इतना ठंडी, ice, darkness. They could not see further. So this was the punishment. Yes. They tried to find their way out, but the snow fell in huge masses, and soon they were lost in it. बहुत बड़ा स्नो गिरते रहे, उनको रास्ता वो भूल गए, भटक गए. At last, Morokla waited, and yet Helena and her mother did not come back. यहाँ पे बेचारी Morokla, she was waiting. बहन कब आएगी, मम्मी कब आएगी, but वो लोग आए ही नहीं. When she went to search for them, she found neither her mother and her sister nor the 12 months in the forest. वो जब forest गई तो उसको कोई नहीं दिखा. At last, she returned home sadly. उसने सोचा कोई नहीं है, इन लोग रास्ता भटक गए लगता है. God knows where are they? So she came back home sadly. So, good Morokla inherited the cottage. उसको एक cottage मिल गया. She got the cottage and the land around it. See, she was very kind, gentle, and that's why she got everything. She married a kind husband and they both lived happily ever after. And after some time, she got married and they were living very happily. So moral is, we should always be kind, good, gentle. Yes? Okay, I hope this chapter is clear. Thank you.